Life isn't fair. It's not meant to be. The world doesn't promise comfort, happiness, or justice. And yet, we still search for meaning. We crave peace. We want to matter. The ancient Stoics didn't sugarcoat life. They studied its harsh edges. They believed that only by facing the truth can we ever be free. These are 9 painful truths, and if you're brave enough to accept them, they might just change your life forever. 1. No one is coming to save you. There's no magical moment, no hand reaching down to pull you up, no perfect timing. The world owes you nothing. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. It's tempting to blame others, your past, your parents, your pain. But the harsh truth, you are the author of your story. You don't need saving. You need to start. 2. You will be forgotten. It sounds cruel, but it's liberating. You're not here to impress history. You're here to live fully. Aurelius again. Consider the immensity of time and the swiftness of life. All is ephemeral. Let that truth humble you. Let it remind you to focus on what matters. Love, presence, growth, not clout, not legacy, not likes. 3. Most people don't care about your problems. We expect empathy, but what we forget is that everyone is carrying something heavy. That's not cold, it's real. Once you stop expecting the world to hold you, you realize you can carry yourself. Seneca wrote, "He is most powerful who has power over himself." Share your story, but don't beg for attention. Learn to be your own comfort. 4. You will lose people. You love death, distance, disappointment. It's one of the hardest truths to swallow. You can't hold on to everyone forever, but you can hold on to how you love them. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, visualizing loss, so when it came, they weren't broken by it. Let loss teach you gratitude, not bitterness. Cherish people now, because tomorrow is never promised. 5. You are often the problem. Sometimes, it's not them, it's you, your reaction, your expectation, your ego. The Stoic mindset, brutal honesty with yourself. Blaming others gives away your power. Owning your mistakes gives it back. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. Stop pointing fingers. Start fixing what's in your control. 6. Comfort is slowly killing you. Your comfort feels good, but it's poison in disguise. When you avoid discomfort, you avoid growth. The Stoics would sleep on the floor, fast, walk in the cold, not because they were extreme, but because they knew. A strong life is built on controlled struggle. If you live according to nature, you will never be poor. If according to opinion, you will never be rich. Seneca trade, pleasure for purpose, discipline for freedom. 7. Time is slipping away. Not next year, not tomorrow. Now most people think they have time, so they scroll, delay, wait. But you can wake up. Memento Mori. Remember, you must die. Let that light a fire under your days. Let it guide your choices. Do every act of your life as though it were the last act of your life. Marcus Aurelius 8th. Not everyone will like you. You can be kind, honest, generous, and still be disliked. It's not your job to be understood. It's your job to be real. Stoicism teaches us to anchor within, to find peace in our character, not approval. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. Let go of your reputation and watch how free you become." 9. You will die. And that's beautiful. The final truth, the one we all avoid, but it's not meant to scare you. It's meant to awaken you. Every breath is borrowed. Every heartbeat a gift. The Stoics didn't run from death. They befriended it. Because only by accepting death can you learn to truly live, love deeper, speak kinder, waste less. You're not here forever, so live like it. These truths hurt because they expose our illusions, but they also heal because they reveal our strength. Life isn't supposed to be easy, it's supposed to be real. The Stoics didn't teach us how to avoid pain. They taught us how to endure it and rise through it. So if something stirred within you today, don't just listen. Live it. And remember, you don't need more motivation. You need more truth. Stay grounded. Stay aware. Stay unshakable.